Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change color theme on Telegram. So let's start. First open the Telegram app. When the app opens, tap on three bars on top left corner. Then tap on Settings. Under Settings option you will see Chat Settings. Tap on that. And here you will see color theme. Classic is selected by default. You can select day, dark, night, and Arctic. You can also change the color schemes if you want to. You can select any color you like. You also have the option to choose your own color. If you know the color code, then you can easily type in that here. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. And now you have your own color theme. And it is automatically saved. If you go back, you will see the color scheme throughout your app. And that's how you can change the color theme on Telegram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.